Vocabulary quiz set 12. Part 1 is matching. Match the words to the definition by writing the letter in the blanks. 1. Capacity. 2. Vast. 3. Enforce. 4. Observant. 5. Verdict. 6. Apparent. Now I'm going to read through the definitions. Remember, you should be pausing after each one to find your match. A. To force obedience. B. Space that can be filled, ability, or skill. C. Open to view, easy to understand, obvious. D. A decision of a jury at the end of the trial, a ruling. And remember, this one is usually guilty or not guilty. E. Very great or large or huge. F. Watchful, quick to notice, or aware. 7. Conceal. 8. Alternate. 9. Feat. 10. Strive. 11. Keen. 12. Hearty. G. To hide or keep secret or cover. H. A sharpened edge or quick and sharp in hearing and sight. I. To devote much energy or effort, to try really hard. J. Warm and friendly or large and satisfying to the appetite. K. To take turns or a person in place of another one. L. An act or deed that shows daring, skill, or strength. Part 2, fill in the blank. In our word bank, we have vast, hardy, verdict, conceal, feat, and apparent. Number 1, I tried to blank my snack in my pocket. 2, it took all day to drive through the blank desert. 3, Officer Perez will blank the school rules. Number 4, the snowboarder performed a mighty blank at Bear Creek. Number 5, it was blank that her son didn't clean his room. Number 6, the soccer team had a blank appetite after his game. Second half, we have strive, capacity, enforce, alternate, keen, observant. Number 7, you must blank to do your best on the test. 8, the criminal was given a blank of guilty. 9, the stadium for the Super Bowl was filled to blank. 10, he was a blank hunter. 11, we had to take a blank route due to the construction. And 12, good reporters are blank of their surroundings.